Yeah. And guess what? We have Mickey Egg Surprise! Mickey Egg Surprise! Mickey Egg Surprise!
Fluffy.
Finding Dory's surprise bag. You want to take it out? What is it, Mommy? What is it? Oh, it's Marlin. Okay, what else is in there? What is that? They're erasers. We need some erasers. Woohoo! Grace, we have another Mickey egg surprise. Oh, it's Captain Jake. Wow! It's Captain Jake. Open, open, squeeze. Is it too hard? It's too hard to open? Okay, use your baby Thor hammer. Go. Let's put this here. And... yeah! There you go. Good job, Grace.
What?
Okay, let's see what we have in there. Oh, how cute! That's Skully! How cute! Oh, it's really cute! Skully!
What's this? What's this?
What's that?
What?
Okay, say bye!
Bye.
Bye! Thanks for watching! Love you, Grace! Don't forget to subscribe and like us and share us and watch our other episodes. Bye! Oh, okay, another kiss. Sorry. Bye! Cheese? No cheese! We're saying bye!
What's this?
Let me see.
What's this?
Kissy,
Oh,
kissy.
that's Skully!
Skully,
That's
say bye to Skully.
What's this?
It's Skully!
Okay.
I think she has a short-term memory, just like I do.
Bye-bye.
Bye!
Bye.
Let's go! Let's go!
What happened here? Oh boy.
That's... ¿Cómo se llama?
No, no sé.
Skully?
Skully.
Skully? That's Skully!
Yeah. We should buy that toy redhead.
Yep. Yay! That was fun.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Oh.